Out of my way.
You got 3 seconds. 1.
I'm sorry, man.
Too damn late.
Fuck.
You had no choice. But your friend there will join Reed in the Beyond if you don't hurry your ass.
It'll be okay. One last push. We're bound for the moon, soulmate. Getting away from them all. Let's see, what do we got here?
Life support activated.
Diagnostics. Pressure O2, infusion pump. Get that feeling too sometimes. Drop everything, leave it all behind. Wouldn't it be nice? Oh, gently now. Happy trails. Of the vapor variety.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressures should continue. Automatic leak sequence initiated.
Well, no turning back now.
T-minus 60 seconds. RS-25 main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters active.
Whatever awaits her in orbit. Hope she ends up happy.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Know what? Ginormous hypocrite. That's what you are.
Yeah.
Truly. Your chief occupation most times was to make sure peeps were talking about you. Gonna compare yourself to her now? A woman who sacrificed all to
Guess
save her
I
life.
could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Duh.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself's some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you can be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0 linked.